In the desert, camel trading has been part of traditional life for generations. Before transport, the camel is carefully fed to keep it healthy and strong.
Hydration is essential before the animal begins its journey.
A buyer arrives to inspect and purchase the camel.
The agreement is finalized with a direct payment.
The camel is now prepared for transport to the processing facility. The camel is now prepared for transport to the processing facility.
The camel arrives at a modern animal processing facility.
The truck doors open as workers prepare to unload the animal. The camel is carefully guided down the ramp for inspection.
Inside the facility, the animal is guided toward the inspection area. The animal moves through designated safety zones toward the health inspection area.
A veterinarian performs the first health inspection.
The veterinarian verifies the animal's health certification. The camel proceeds through a controlled corridor for cleaning and sanitation. The cleaning process begins to remove dirt and contaminants.
Workers apply industrial foam to thoroughly clean the animal.
Large brushes remove deep dirt from the animal's coat.
The animal is thoroughly rinsed with clean water.
Workers perform a final manual cleaning to ensure complete sanitation. Industrial air dryers remove moisture from the camel's coat.
The camel's coat is now fully dry and ready for the next stage.
The animal is escorted deeper into the facility for the next stage.
The camel enters the medical examination room.
The veterinarian prepares for a detailed medical inspection.
The veterinarian checks the camel's physical condition.
A controlled sedative is carefully prepared.
The veterinarian administers a controlled sedative.
The sedated animal is placed on the medical platform for monitoring. The veterinarian monitors the animal's vital signs.
The medical team carefully monitors the sedated animal. Processing begins with raw hides prepared on stainless steel tables. The hides are washed to remove dirt and impurities.
The hides pass through powerful rollers for flattening and preparation. The roller machine smooths and compresses the leather surface.
Rotating brushes polish the leather surface.
The hides move along an overhead conveyor system.
The leather is immersed in tanning solution to strengthen the material.
After tanning, the leather is dyed to achieve its final color. The finishing rollers refine the leather surface.
Workers measure each hide to prepare it for cutting. Metal templates guide precise leather pattern tracing.
A CNC machine precisely cuts the leather pattern pieces.
Workers sort the cut leather pieces for assembly. Each leather component is organized before assembly. Industrial sewing machines stitch the leather panels together. Workers assemble the leather jacket piece by piece.
Each finished jacket is inspected for quality.
The stitching is examined under bright inspection lights. Workers prepare the buttons and hardware for assembly. Metal hardware is carefully attached to the jacket.
A press machine secures metal rivets into the leather.
The final hardware and alignment are carefully checked.
Loose threads are trimmed, and the jacket is brushed clean.
Finished jackets are hung and prepared for packaging.
The jacket is sealed in a protective plastic sleeve. The packaged jacket is placed into a branded shipping box. Shipping boxes are sealed and prepared for distribution.
Packed boxes are transported to the loading dock.
The shipment is moved to the delivery truck.
The packaged jackets are loaded for transportation. The truck prepares to deliver the finished jackets.
The shipment arrives at the retail store.
The jackets are unpacked and prepared for display.
The jackets are placed on display for customers.
A customer browses the leather jacket collection. The customer tries on the jacket to check its fit and comfort.
The customer completes the purchase. The finished leather jacket reaches the customer. The finished jacket becomes part of everyday life.